OMG, so this is our first tomato harvest and I'm so excited. Aren't these the cutest little tomatoes? Tonetra's produce. I'm so curious. I'm hoping that these are gonna be nice and juicy. They are nice and ripe and red, so hopefully they have a good taste to them. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go inside and wash these off, and I'm gonna cut them up, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna do a taste test. Let's see what they're tasting like. Okay, so I've cut up one of the tomatoes and we are about to try our first homegrown tomato on camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself and I'm so excited. So let's try it. Let's get right into it. Smells like a tomato. I'm scared. So juicy and it tastes so fresh. You guys, if you do not grow yourself some tomatoes on your patio or in your backyard, you need to go ahead and do it. You just need to do it. There's nothing like eating your own fruit and eating something that you have planted from seed and grown and taken care of. It feels so great. I wish everyone could experience this. So if you want to learn how to grow your own tomatoes, make sure that you watch this video right here. And this is showing you how to plant your first tomato plant, and it's super easy. Anybody can do it. Let me know down in the comments below what you would like to plant next spring, and that will maybe give me some new ideas of what I can put into the ground. I have some carrots that I'm going to be harvesting, so watch out for that video. But yeah, make sure that you give me a big thumbs up on this video and that you subscribe, and we will see you in my next one. Bye, Royals. Delicious.